Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is January the 24th. I hope you all had a great week. I'm back once again to bring y'all some behind the scenes here with Fort Worth Fabric Studio, so let's get into it. And that's it for this week. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this one. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. I hope you all have a great week this next week, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.